Here I've got Kruger Mass Move 8 Mini, and let me show you how to activate airplane mode on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select network and internet. And here you will notice airplane mode. Simply tap on this switcher to activate flight mode. As you can see right next to the battery, you will notice the plane icon, which means that you are currently in airplane mode. Then if you would like to switch off this mode, simply click on the same switcher one more time. Then you can also activate airplane mode through the upper bar. Simply slide down the upper bar, locate flight mode icon, here it is, and click on airplane mode. That's it, you've just activated airplane mode. And then if you'd like to switch it off, simply click on the same switcher one more time. There is also the third option of activation this mode. Simply tap on power key and hold it for about 3 seconds, and then select airplane mode. As you can see, now it's off. Simply click on it, and now it's active. You can notice this plane over here. And then to switch it off, you can use whichever method you prefer, but you can switch it off also through the power button and then select airplane mode. And that is all. You've just come along with all 3 methods of activating airplane mode in your Move 8 Mini. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.